Scientists find that the universe should not exist based on the bizarre behavior of antimatter. We don't know why the universe is not destroying itself because of antimatter. Our universe should not exist, scientists say. The most elite scientists in the world are still struggling to find why exactly our universe did not destroy itself as soon as it came into existence. That's what scientists should say should have happened, but it clearly has not happened since you're here reading this as far as we know. Now, at the beginning of the universe, according to the standard model, there are equal amounts of matter and also antimatter. So they should somehow come to zero matter. Now, the trouble with that is that they would each have annihilated each other, leaving none of the matter that surrounds us today. Researchers have been frantically looking for some difference between matter and antimatter that could explain why the universe is still around. But they have tried to a range of different possibilities, that they have different mass, electric charge, or something else, but have found no difference. So that has led researchers to question why the universe is still around at all. Christina Smora, the author of a new study conducted at CERN, the particle accelerator in Switzerland, she said, all of our observations find a complete symmetry between matter and antimatter, which is why the universe should not exist actually. And that symmetry must exist here somewhere, but we simply do not understand where the difference is. What is the source of the symmetry break, she says. The latest possibility was matter and antimatter's different magnetism, but new research shows that they're identical in that way as well, lending further mystery to the question of why the universe is still around us at all. The new study led by Dr. Smora of CERN looked to measure antiprotons to find where and how they were different from protons that surround us. They measured the antimatter's magnetism in more precise detail than ever before, and were surprised to find that both matter and antimatter looked exactly symmetrical. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box. So if they were equal and symmetrical, thus they should have annihilated each other. Now, the CERN research saw scientists capture the antiprotons in special penning traps, quote unquote, since it's not possible to hold antimatter inside a physical container. This tremendous increase in such a short period of time was only possible thanks to completely new methods, said Stefan Ulmer, he's spokesperson for the group of researchers who conducted the work. The researchers hope to be able to examine the antiprotons in even more precise detail and see if there is a difference when they are able to look even closer at the mystery. But other scientists are looking at other possibilities, including that antimatter has upside-down gravity, meaning that it would, in effect, fall upwards. This is according to Cosmos Magazine reports. This is by Andrew Griffin in The Independent on Bended Reality. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support.